Note to learner: this video provides content that will be hosted on the Ginnie Mae LMS in the near future. In this video, you will not be able to interact with screen content to include selecting pop-ups, launching resource hyperlinks, and answering knowledge check questions. Nonetheless, you will be presented with all of the content presented in the interactive e-learning training. Though the audio narration may request that you select items or buttons on the screen, please pause the video to read the content and then select play to continue with the video. When the video advances to a knowledge check, please pause the video and try to answer the question in your head. Select play to see the correct answer or answers to the question. Welcome to the Multifamily Pool Processing Use Case course. The purpose of this training is to give you the skills you need to find and correct pool and mortgage-related data errors and successfully pass the Ginnie Mae business rules. Select objectives to learn what you will be able to do by the end of this module. Select Next to continue when you are ready. When you select the Validate option on the pool header in Mfpdm, you will verify pool, loan, and draw information against a list of Ginnie Mae business rules. If you have issues with the data, Mfpdm will display an Errors and Warnings message at the top of the page where the error originates. As you will see, fatal errors appear within a red box. It is important to note that all fatal errors must be corrected before a pool can be submitted to the document custodian for certification. Select Next to continue. Mfpdm has two ways to indicate a problem with the data entered: field-level validation and the Validate button method. Fatal errors appear in a red box. Warnings, which appear in orange below any fatal error messages, serve as notification that something may be incorrect. However, warnings do not have to be corrected before pool submission. Select Next to continue. The first way Mfpdm indicates problems with data being entered is field-level validation. Once you enter data in required fields, as indicated by an asterisk, or in additional key fields, the field-level validations immediately alert you to invalid data. The field will turn red, and an associated error message is available upon hovering over the field. Select Next to continue. The second way Mfpdm indicates a data problem is by use of the Validate option. Upon selecting the Validate button from the pool header, Mfpdm will verify pool, loan, and draw data against a list of Ginnie Mae business rules. If issues with the data are found, Mfpdm will display the associated errors and warnings at the top of the respective screen where the error originates. Take a moment to examine this example of errors on a pool detail screen. Select Next to continue. Do you know how to locate a pool in Mfpdm? We will guide you through the steps. Then you will have a chance to locate and fix any fatal errors and warnings. Select Next to continue. Step 1. Enter your username and password and select Login. Step 2. Select the Mfpdm Pools and Loans tab on the My Dashboard screen. Your screen will refresh and a list of draft pools displays. Notice the column, third from right, titled Business Rules, that shows whether a pool has not passed the business rules haven't been run, or business rules have passed. Step 3. Locate and select the pool. Alternatively, you may search by pool number. Notice that if there are data entry errors or missing data on the pool details screen fields, a red box containing a list of all errors and warnings and fatal errors will display. These are the specific errors that need to be corrected. Please note, the All Errors and Warnings and Fatal Errors red box also displays for errors on the loan details screen and the draw history screen. Select Next to continue. Using the following steps, you can generate an error report and review any error messages. Step 1. Select the email icon. An error notification message displays stating that the pool did not pass the business rules. Step 2. Select the Pool Validation Failed notification. The pool validation window opens, informing you that the business rule validation failed and provides a link to the pool details screen. Step 3. Select Pool DB0781. In Pool DB0781, 3 fatal errors were found. Step 4. Select the plus more button from the header to generate a report to view error messages on the pool or loan details screen. Step 5. Select Docs from the drop-down menu. Step 6. Select Edits Report to generate a PDF file of the Edits Report. Step 7. Open and review the Error Messages report. The report lists fatal errors preceded by an F and warnings preceded by a W. Notice they are all fatal errors. Pool error F. Subscriber's total position is invalid. Must equal pool amount without cents. Loan errors FHA/USDA case number is invalid or missing. Must have 7 leading zeros for FHA loans. Multifamily case number is to be reported as a 15-position fixed-length number, as shown. F. Principal and interest is invalid or missing. Amount should be $515.77. Select Next to continue. Now check your understanding. Let's start from the point where the pool has not yet been submitted. You still can edit pool or loan information and rerun the error report. The error report will identify the specific issues that need to be fixed for the pool to pass the business rules. This is the overall process to correct the pool or mortgage-related errors so the pool will successfully pass the Ginnie Mae business rules. First, you will need to review the fatal errors and warnings report for the pool. Then navigate to the screen or fields with the errors so you can make the necessary changes. Of course, you will need to make sure you are in edit mode. You can find the edit button whether you are on the pool details screen, the loan details screen, or the draw history details screen. As mentioned previously, a list of all errors and warnings for the corresponding screen will display. Then you will correct the errors and validate the pool. Finally, go back into the system after it has had time to validate your changes. Check the business rules status and make sure it is marked Passed. Select Next to continue. Let's examine the pool on your screen. A notification indicates there is one fatal error on the pool details screen. It reads, F. Subscriber's total position is invalid. Must equal pool amount without cents. Follow these steps to correct the error. Step 1. Select the Edit button from the Pool Details screen. Step 2. Scroll down to Escrow Accounts/Subscriber. You will see there is one error noted. If necessary, select the down arrow to view the subscriber information. Step 3. Edit the position amount to equal the pool amount of $50,000 without any cents. Step 4. Select Save. Step 5. Select Validate. Select Next to continue. Next, for the same pool number, you will need to check for errors on a loan associated with the pool you selected. Step 1. Select Loans from the Pool Details screen. Step 2. Select loan number 7755900007556644. Step 3. Scroll down to the Errors and Warnings red box. The screen refreshes. A notification indicates there are 2 fatal errors as follows. F. FHA/USDA case number is invalid or missing. Must have 7 leading zeros for FHA loans. F. Principal and interest is invalid or missing. Amount should be $515.77. Select Next to continue. To edit the case number and P&I amount, take the following steps. Step 1. Select the Edit button. Step 2. Scroll down through General Information to the Agency Details fields. Step 3. Replace the FHA case number with 000000078541259. Remember, case numbers require 7 leading zeros. Step 4. Scroll up to mortgage amounts. Step 5. Change the amount in the principal and interest field from $500 to $515.77. Step 6. Select Save. Step 7. Select Validate to confirm the changes were saved and meet the business rule requirements. Select Next to continue. To rerun the Ginnie Mae Edits Error Report, follow these steps. Step 1. Select Docs on the Pools and Loans screen. Step 2. Select Edits Report. Step 3. Open and review the Pool Edits Report. The Pool Business Rule status is displayed as Passed. Once you know the business rules have passed, you can submit your pool to the document custodian. Select Next to continue. Now, check your understanding. The goal of this course was to provide issuers, document custodians, and Ginnie Mae staff with the skills they need to locate and edit pool or mortgage-related errors to successfully pass the Ginnie Mae business rules. You learned where to view a list of error messages for pool or mortgage-related data entered in Mfpdm and where to see current pool status. You also learned how to navigate to and generate an error report to review specific errors. Using a test case, you learned the steps to correct errors, which included the navigation path to specific fields and how to activate the edit function to correct data errors. You also learned about the Validate feature in Mfpdm to run Ginnie Mae business rules. Finally, you learned how to check pool status to confirm that the error corrections you made were successful and the pool's business rules status has changed to Passed. In summary, this module gave you the opportunity to gain confidence using Mfpdm to review and correct data errors. Now you should be able to locate pool or mortgage-related errors and edit pool or mortgage-related errors so that the pool successfully passes Ginnie Mae's business rules. You may use the Exit button to leave this presentation at this time.